Max, do you see the giraffe?
Yeah.
We just went behind those trees.
Where?
Now I can't see them anymore. And there's an ostrich.
What?
Max, what does the ostrich look like?
This.
And there's the wildebeest.
Wildebeest the giraffe.
Yeah? Where's the giraffe? Where did he go?
She's she's in car.
Oh, she's in the car?
Yeah.
She get in the car? Where's the zebra?
No. Baby, hotel.
Yeah?
Look at look at him. Hi.
A lot of wildebeest out.
Hi. Hi.
Oh, here she comes.
She comes.
There's the giraffe, Max.
And then in the car.
She's in the car. I don't see her. Max, what's the giraffe's name?
No.
You don't know?
Where's she?
What do you want to name her?
Name is Goop name. Goop's name.
Goop's name? That's a silly one.
Goop.
Max, what's your favorite animal on our backyard here?
Wildebeest.
The wildebeest is your favorite?
Yeah.
Not the giraffe?
I like giraffe and wildebeest.
You like the giraffes and the wildebeest?
Yeah. Stinky.
Are they stinky? Max, you gotta move farther away from me. There you go.
I want to see.